Do you ever feel like you're shouting into the void? You spend hours creating content and you get crickets. Well, here's the harsh truth. If no one's engaging, your content isn't connecting. But today, we're going to fix that. Hey, I'm Brad Holzman. I spent 20 plus years in television crafting stories that hooked audiences by the millions. And I see entrepreneurs and business owners making one massive mistake when it comes to content. They create content that's all about them, instead of content that speaks directly to their audience. Here's the thing. Your audience, they don't care about you until they know how you can help them. The best content doesn't just entertain. It builds trust, it sparks emotion, and drives action. And if your content isn't working right now, it's because you're missing this simple shift. So here are 3 steps. Step 1, start with emotion, not information. So most people start their content like this. I'm a real estate investor and I want to talk to you about the market. Here's my latest business update. And I just closed a deal. Let me tell you about it. Well, that's all about you. No one cares. Yet. Instead, you gotta flip it to your audience's pain points. So, how about this? Struggling to find your first deal? Here's what no one tells you. Here's why most investors are losing money right now, and how to avoid it. Come on. If you're not getting leads, here's what's broken in your brand and how to fix it. So here's an action step. Before you post, ask, does this make my audience feel something? If not, rewrite it. Do another take. All right, step 2, the power of storytelling. This is why people watch. Facts don't sell. Stories do. So think about every great television show, movie, viral post. What do they all have in common? They don't start with information. They pull you right into a story. So here's another example. Real estate is a great way to build wealth. Boring. I was drowning in debt, stressed about my 9 to 5. I had no idea how to get out until I stumbled on my first real estate deal. And that changed everything. Come on, you're hooked, right? So the next time you create content, start with a story, even if it's a small one. And step 3, give a reason to engage. No more ghost town posts. So most people treat their posts like a lecture instead of a conversation. If you want engagement, give people a reason to interact. So instead of this, here's what I learned about real estate. Do this. Which of these strategies have you tried? Comment below. Tag someone who needs this reminder today. Drop a rocket emoji if this hits home for you. The more you invite people in, the more they engage. So here's the final thought. Content that connects wins every time. Start with emotion, not information. Use storytelling to hook your audience and invite engagement. Don't just post, create conversation. So I have a challenge for you. Comment below. What is the number 1 struggle you have with content right now? Hey, let's fix it together. And tag a friend who needs to hear this today. And reminder, the person who shows up consistently they're always going to win. Let's go.